Ngarang ayuk nongalamdai pung ahumlom taba matamda Sangaipurauda leiba Little Flower School gi gate number 2 da sakangdaba singna bom pokhaihallambabu yaningdaba phongdokpa oina ngasi school asigi yamlaba mahairoi singna wakat mipham ama pangthokkhare wakat mipham aduda saruk yakhiba mahairoi amana phongdokkibada education zone haiba asi makhal khudingmaki crime dagi free ohengadabani mahairoi sing asi nation asigi tungi yumbini asigumba thabak sing asi higher authority na yengsinbiduna amuk hanna makhata na thohanbiganu haina mahakna phongdokki.
Laba, amat tangay raba, am na tang laba, lupi singi damang ta quality education porang na bakon na bata sa umat hangdang lori ba, atugum laba Little Flower School. Asida, bom pokhai handuna, aki akang le handuna, pandemic ki sahi ani pandemic na maram oirega, corona na maram oirega, angang sing loi na magsi amat ta lai su tamba yada dana. Tauraba matung sida hauzik pandemic loi gre, aduga angang sing si lai su tamba yara adana. Tauraba matam asida khang khangawdana ngarangi mathang na hansi nongalamdagi pung 3 taba matamda bom ama thambiramba haibase Manipur gi oina yamna laibak thiba adugumba thogdoni maram aduna aikoi gi sisida leiriba Sangaipurau mahila mandangi rupi kuting mangla yamna thamoi sola yani ado phongdokte aduga loina na amu hanasu matung manaw tokirtanaba leiba adugum laba tawbiraiba kangusing karamba organization no haibado akhoi khanjade amu hana tawbidana basu haijari aduga loina na lani matam phawbada school haibasi sumna taba school haibasi school lama leire hairagadi mipum khuding masina mafam sida karamda na yete phawba tawdaba adugum laba mafam ni haiba mafam asida asumana yamna nungai nungnangai oiraba sugumba thogdo ama thoan baibase aikoi yam sathina nungai jade aduga Little Flower School haibasi Manipur gi amata ngairaba aduga yamna VIP road amasu oiriba road gi manak sida sumaina thogdok thogak baibase khajitang akoi maya khudimna akoi gi leiriba sisda leiriba maya baibi khudimki member khudimna yamna thomo suna nungai tabana maram oraga ngasi ahing se khang de masai pung nipan makhai nipan dagina akoi hujik pung 10 tara phawbada akoi masi amu hanna tholok tanabagi damakta akoina haibo organization do karam organization no khoi khangde masibu bom pokhai handana mi bom pokhai ba habese mi du hatna na ba mi du sina na bidam ta live attempt torokba dugumba thogdok amani masi amu hanna matung manaw torokta na bagi damakta maya baibi gi president ama oina mayamda ina appeal tokjari.
Yesterday morning around 3 a.m. we heard a bomb explosion at our gate. On hearing the sound, we got up and we went towards the gate, and we found that a bomb had exploded and the gate was partially damaged, though no one was hurt. But this incident had caused panic, fear and anxiety in all of us who are the inmates and also the staff and students of our school. Yesterday morning, while I was at the site, a parent passing by said that his daughter told him, "Papa, I'm afraid to go to school now." And so this incident had caused chaos and unrest in the minds of the students. This year, after the lockdown of 2 years, the students came back to school, and they have been in full gusto to enjoying the class and doing very well in all their activities. But with the bomb explosion, And the news of this, it has caused fear among them. And I'm afraid that it will take a long time for them to come back to their, to take up their studies again. And so I honestly appeal to everyone to stop this kind of violence against the school, against the institution, and make our institutions, especially right now I would say, to our school, a free education zone.
Koi, hoki pangarang, nongalum dai pung ohum tabu matamda, Little Flower School gi, koi anisuba geta, koi gi yamasati leba bom ama pokhaihallanduna, koi gi hauji Manipur gi miyamna, maruina, satri sangsansingna, koi education gi, jaga singda, free zone ohenduna, apo mai rui puthona ba, hondaringai tanja asida, asum laba yamna leba thiba thodu ama, Little Flower School thopa sida, akoina awang mathakta, akoina nuaitaba, amadi condemn toba, phongdoktuna, loinana, asugum laba, mahirui singi, laisangni hena khanjariba, mipham singsida, akui tuzung, hon bana maram berkanda, school chachariba, mahirui sing, amadi school chaliba mahirui singi mama mapada, yam achoba, akaiba ninghanaba, amadi mahirui singda, yamna sathiba saifu ma, koi piakle, maduna maram berkanda, Manipurda leriba, mipum khudimangna, amadi tongan ba, ngarangi thodu aduda, maruiba, koi kari haitare, koina, chenariba musing habatare, maruina, koi sing now singda, koi association site ki tamjing of di, karibumba, school singer yanadaba, or school administration or madubu, pain the Vakaya labor targasu, school dubu chalaiba, administration sing, amadi tongan ba, madugi. Marina Musinga, Kandan in Narakanda, Madu Yoroshila, Potona Hona View, Adunatana, Akogi, my Rusingi, my Tampam Sang Oriba, School Singa, Asunglava, Ayet Akai, even a Marmurakanda, Tungi Horgliva, Naharol Sing, Amadi Mahirusinga, Achoba Saifu, my Bibi Tavok say, Matunda Amohana Tobiganu, Haduna, Marilinava, Musing, to give from the Hang Association site to give mixing.
Ngarang thogdok se hekta baga isu school da dum chatle ko yam nungaite ngasai gate tu ubada ngasai isa sida nungaitaba yam thina phawe kaigino haibadadi icha nupi si phawbane school ka badu mama hayeng ngam bom langchaladi akoi khamai tawgadagi hayebu ko adu gi du khanbada isu yam wai kaigino dadi school se chahi ani karudre adu matungda hojik tha ahum mukta ngai school karakba adagi hanagi awat pam yam du mengkhatna bhona bada moisu wai akoi su wai oja sing su warangani ko adubu ngarangi thogdoksidagi amuk hena wakhansida panic mokoisida ma phawhankreba adugi khalaga matungdadi skumba thogdokse tawbiganu school da kaigumba yaningdaba mingchanbagi oiro leiragasu parents singna school da approach tawhaningi aina haibadadi
as a teacher, what I would like to appeal is that to the society or whoever may concern, that this kind of violence that is causing fear to the children is a disturbance to their young mind who has just come out from the 2 years this pandemic era, the lockdown. Coming back from there, they're trying their best to be normal, their mental health, everything, they're trying to be normal, and we ourselves, we are helping them a lot to come back to the normalcy of the society and of education. But with this kind of disturbance, it is really disturbing their mind again. It's creating a fear in them, and we are worried what might happen or like what will be the future of the children if this continue. So what I would like to appeal is that let's make our children the future pillar of our society, a strong, a violence-free, and for them to understand that a society is a peaceful area, or a school is a place where they come to learn and not to learn violence through this kind of example.